This is a 2-meter fully automatic CNC drilling and tapping machine with effective processing stroke, x-axis 2 meters, y-axis 300 mm, z-axis 200 mm. It's equipped with a precision servo harmonical rotary axis, enabling 360 degrees automatical indexing processing of tubular workpieces. It also features a T-slot work table suitable for processing plates and irregularly shaped parts. The spindle uses a high-rigidity, high-power BT13 mechanical spindle imported from Taiwan, ensuring high processing efficiency and precision. A servo-driven rotary tool magazine moves with the spindle, allowing for automatic tool change anytime, anywhere, achieving intelligent and automated processing. The tool magazine can hold 10 tools of different specifications. This machine combines two processing modes: conventional drilling and tapping for singular products, and floor drilling and tapping on thin volume products, offering comprehensive functionality. The selective CNC machining center control system supports multiple programming methods and allows for automatic generation of processing programs from imported CAD files, eliminating the need for professional programmers and effectively saving labor costs. The system can store tens of thousands of processing programs. Transmission shaft of this machine is controlled by an absolute servo motor. The neat screw and guide rails are stacked front band of Taiwan Heavy with high precision, faster and stability. The machine has a built-in lubrication system which can lubricate it regularly and continually, eliminating the need for manual maintenance. Before the machine leaves the factory, it's tested for accuracy and compensated it by a USA API laser interferometer to keep the whole machine accuracy within 0.02 mm. For more model introduction, follow my video account to learn more.